Today I'm going to talk about smartphone LED flashlight. So the smartphone LED flashlight is basically for videos. And you basically plug it into your iPhone or any other type of phone with an aux port with about 3.5 headphone jack, and you just plug this in. So this is gonna be an unboxing, and I don't usually do unboxings, but I'm gonna do one now. So get ready. So let's get started. So starts off here. Slide this thing off. And it comes in this. This is the actual light. I got it a black one. I'll leave a link of it in the description below. I got it from Amazon, by the way. Then it comes with a cable, for a charging cable. It's just a basic micro USB. Let's put that to the side. Now, let me actually look at this and read it. So, it is a highlight LED. Charging lamp battery full light power off. 3.5 mm head. So it's a 3.5 headphone jack size, so it's the regular size. Then it has manual, switch on or off, USB charging port, brightness switch at high, middle, low. It has different kinds of like brightness settings is what it's trying to say, and here's some controls. Now let's get started by taking it out of the case right here. Now, mine is sort of beat up, I guess, in the packaging, but if you get one, it'll probably be nicer. So, to turn it on, okay, this is the brightness modes right here. Low, medium, high. Here, low, medium, high. There. Now let's keep it high. Now it's on and off. Now, I don't know if it has any charge since I just got it, but let's find out. Oh, okay. So, wow, that is bright. Now, I'm going to turn it to low so you can see the difference. Ready? Can you see that? Now, medium, high. So, it's at high right now. Now, look at this difference. This is the big difference from the light difference from the settings. Then it has an on-off right here. That's just the standard on-off. Nothing special about that. Now, to get it, I'm going to get a phone to put it inside. Now, the phone that I'm going to use will not be on, but it will still work. So, yeah. Okay. I got one to use right here. Now, just gonna plug it into the headphone jack. So if it's like that. Now this is usually for video taking. So when you take a video, just turn it on. And it's really bright. You can also use it as a flashlight on your phone, just in case your phone's dead or something. You still got a flashlight on it. Or just yeah, just a simple light, I guess. Let's turn that off. There. Okay. So yeah. Just one other thing is the charging port is right next to the little pin. 3.5 millimeter pin for your headphone jack. So you just plug it in like this. Just look which way it goes and stick it inside. So it goes that way. And plug it in. Now what it's saying is when it's charging, it'll turn red. There should be a light somewhere here. Oh, it's right here. There's a light right here. I don't know if you can see that white thing. Yeah, well, that's a light that when you plug it in, it'll show the charging. Look here, I'll plug it in right now. Okay, I got it. Now, yeah, I plugged it up to my speaker. Now, I don't know if you can see that. Here, let me just zoom in. But there's a red light. And that basically means it's working. So yeah, let's unplug that. So yeah, that's basically it. So I hope you like my video. Now to subscribe, just click right here. And my last video, click right here and I'll go to it. So once again, please subscribe and have a nice day. And yeah, see you. Bye.